Dropped him. Hey, bro, let me see, bro. You wanna see? Yeah.
Y'all, so this nigga talking about he want to see the bike, bro. And we in the middle of traffic and my goggles fucking fell off. Look at this dumb ass. Damn. Come here. Nah, that shit don't fly on me. Come on. Oh my god, he still trying to fake. He trying to fake flex on the nigga. He trying to flex. Nah, bring her. Nah, nigga, fuck that. Hey, Demi. He trying to flex. No, some more. Yeah, only for a reason. I'm in the car. I'm in the car. Yes, I'm going back to Sean's condo right now.
Ron went ride in the rain.
You're not bike life if you don't ride in any type of weather.
Yeah, stop, nigga. What the fuck? That shit hurt, bro. The fuck?
You making me look excellent. You making me look good. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you doing, bro.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to show you.
I don't know what you doing,
I'm
bro.
about to show you something you ain't even thinking about.
Nah.
You told me
Let's see how he gonna stop it. man. That nigga smoking. Y'all, look who behind us.
Oh yeah, shorty, you about to show us something, Mo? Hey, look at this shirt.
Guys, oh my god, oh my fuck, swerve that bitch, swerve that bitch. God damn. Oh no, I gotta show him what the fuck is up after he get back, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, you think he can do the whole strip? You think he can do the whole strip? Oh my god, oh my god, oh, drop it, oh don't drop her, don't drop her, don't drop her, please don't drop her. Man, he had to drop her. Nah. Come, bring her. You think you got that swear down? He got that swear down, don't know how to act. I gotta show you something. I gotta show you what's up.
Food or something in there? I'm starving.
Oh, he done stalled, y'all. Look at the worm. Just admire the worm.
Y'all see it, we got the new Twin Culture gear dropping now, man. If you want a sweater or shirt, look, if you want a sweater or shirt, go hit us up on Instagram. Chill, nigga, chill. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, turn your post notifications on, because we're going to be active now, y'all. We just hit a million views. We hit 1 million views in 28 days. So that's a big milestone for us. So now we just about to take off, y'all. We flooding content every single day. I already got 5 more videos ready to post for y'all, but we gonna just drop videos daily, y'all. And this is just the beginning, y'all. We got Caleb little gel blaster out, so we gonna smooth start, look, having some fun with them drinks. And we just gonna have daily vlogs dropping every